Hello, and welcome to this introduction to the Enterprise AI Management and Governance Solutions. These are two of the three solutions that make up AI Lens. We'll be covering these two in this video, and you can watch my colleague Sean Gibson introduce the EU AI Act solution in a separate video. Enterprise AI Management is your starting point. It enables you to identify and classify your AI systems, and to track their use and analyse the business benefits that flow from their use. The governance solution builds on that, providing you with the tools to govern your organisation's use of AI, assessing your AI systems and documenting your compliance with regulations, policies and principles. Let's look at the AI management first. We'll start with the AI technical capability model, which we use to identify and classify components in your repository that need to be recorded as AI systems. This defines the scope for your management and governance of AI and enables you to track your use of different AI capabilities. Notice how this model is split between functionality and technology capabilities. It is sometimes more useful to describe what you're using AI to do, but in other situations you want to know how it is doing it. By linking your applications or technology services to anything in this model, you are automatically registering it as an AI system. As you'd expect, our Getting Started article provides guidance on how to decide which AI capabilities you should link. This is a very fast-moving area. New AI capabilities are emerging all the time, so we can expect this model to need updating. The good news is that it can be extended or updated without requiring any changes to the rest of the solution. We've built this solution with change in mind. Marking your software components as AI systems opens up a wide range of potential insights. Because our approach to AI is not simply a bolt-on, but is integral to the existing meta model, you can view everything you have in your repository from an AI perspective, and all your AI systems from the many perspectives you already have: people, process, data, location, business capabilities, costs, initiatives, technical debt, and risks. So how does this look in practice? The dashboard starts with a breakdown of the AI capabilities you're using. And here you can see the split between the AI systems that are frontline applications and those that are supporting technology services, your adoption of them over time, as well as a breakdown of them by lifecycle phase. You can drill into the data that sits behind the chart to see the details. As we've seen, different component types can be classified as AI systems. This report brings them all together on one page. And take a closer look at the Consumed By column. AI systems can be used in different ways. So you'll see here that we've catered for multiple situations. Some of these consumers of AI are organizational units that use AI-enabled applications. But we also see other applications which are making use of AI systems via integrations. Here's an example of an AI system that is used by both the marketing department and by the HubSpot application. Let's look at a few of those perspectives I mentioned earlier. This shows your AI systems from a data point of view. It takes our logical data model and shows us which data entities are accessed by AI systems and which are used by AI systems, then supplied to other applications via their APIs. A vital viewpoint if you want to understand what data is being used by AI and how it gets passed on. You'll probably want to know where your systems are running. This view shows that by following your system's supporting infrastructure and seeing where it is located. One of the best ways to look at business impact is to view data through the lens of business capabilities. This view shows you which capabilities are taking advantage of AI, either via AI applications or through people consuming AI applications. And of course, it will also reveal to you which capabilities make little or no use of AI. If you've recorded your deployment plans, you can of course view them on a timeline, and if you're also using our strategy to execution solution, the two together support the planning of AI strategic initiatives, we provide guidance on exactly how to do this. We'll move on now to consider the second AI lens solution, Enterprise AI Governance. This builds on the AI management layer we've just seen. Having identified and classified your AI systems, this solution enables you to answer these two questions and create an auditable record of the answers. Are these systems compliant with regulatory or internal policy requirements? And how well do our key AI systems live up to our AI principles? This solution enables you to schedule and record compliance assessments of your AI systems. This dashboard draws your attention to any compliance gaps, shows your progress along the compliance journey, and warns you what lies ahead. AI system owners will receive an automated notification when it's time to renew a compliance record. We can see the full details by drilling into this report. Let me draw your attention to another small but vital detail in our solution design. I've mentioned the third solution in the AI Lens series, which is specific to the European Union AI Act. Notice under the category column that one of these compliance assessments is of the EU AI Act. It uses that third solution, which creates a special compliance component to cater for the particular risk-driven approach to compliance adopted by the legislation. We don't know what other regulatory requirements are likely to come along in different geographies. This is an evolving scene. But we've designed and built this solution with the future in mind. Other compliance needs are likely to turn up. This report and the dashboard we were looking at will automatically handle different categories and types of AI assessment, bringing them all together without requiring you to make any changes to the solution. That's especially good news for multinationals who may want to view their compliance state across different jurisdictions, applying local rules but seeing the global picture in one dashboard. We've seen how you can record the outcome of your compliance checks using compliance assessment components. But what if you want to document the details of individual evaluations? Well, the solution supports that too. AI health checks allow you to conduct an evaluation of an AI system against a set of criteria, scoring the importance and level of concern of each aspect of the solution, and documenting comments and recommendations. This gives you, for example, documented evidence to justify the results of your compliance assessment. We provide a sample set of AI principles for use as criteria, which you can, of course, adapt to suit your organization. Or you could use an internal AI policy or externally imposed regulatory requirements as the criteria instead. Here's an example of the results of one health check against our example AI principles. We can see here that accountability has a high level of importance and is the source of considerable concern. It needs urgent attention. In contrast, we're pretty comfortable with how we're dealing with the even more important areas of security, robustness, and privacy. Once you've built up a body of experience, this table enables you to take a bird's eye view of your criteria. Which principles are proving hard to live up to? Which are the most or least important across your estate? It could lead you to develop some useful design patterns and reference architectures to improve the overall quality of your AI systems as you deploy more and more of them. And that concludes this introduction to the first two parts of AI Lens. If the EU AI Act is relevant to you, do catch the introduction to that third part from my colleague Sean Gibson. Thanks for watching.